Today I'm going to tell you about two of Aiper's flagship pool robots. This is the Scubas S1 and this is the Scubas S3, which is a slightly newer model. Now, they are both workhorses. They are both at a very economical price in the pool cleaner world, and they both work very, very well. Now, they work about the same size of pools. This is about 1,600 and about 1,650 pool coverage of square feet that you can get from these two great machines. They are both very similar in runtime, and they're both very similar in style, but there's some key differences. Let me tell you about those. Now, you're going to want to watch to the end. There'll be a graphic at the end that has a chart that gives you a bullet point comparison to see all the different features and how they may be best for your particular pool. Now, the Scubas S1 is an older model. You can see it's got a lot more love on it on my pool, but I've had it for a few years. If you climb the stairs like this one, thoroughly clean the surface of the stairs and climb the walls with an organized, navigated pattern, and it will clean the water line and the bottom of the pool. The Aiper S1, it's a cordless revolution. You simply charge it, press it, and go. Its caterpillar wheels will take you everywhere your pool needs. It has superior mobility with the caterpillar treads, and it navigates the floors, the walls, the water lines with precision. See it in action here. It will begin to mark the path, and the path will be in straight lines, not chaotic. It's called upgraded wave path navigation. It makes all of those missed spots a thing of the past. It's ideal for pools that are 1,600 square feet or 50 foot in length. The Scubas S1 will handle pools of various sizes and shapes. On a single charge, it will clean for 2.5 hours. It will scrub the water line, then it will revert back down to the bottom of the pool, establishing a pattern. It's all in one comprehensive pool clean here. It's creating a pattern while it's cleaning. The dual scrub wheels as well as the caterpillar treads scrub in different directions, which really cleans the pool's edge. It comes with this hook tool that you can easily retrieve. Because of the gripping wheels and caterpillar treads, it will not slip or slide when it climbs up the wall. Simply hold the button down for 2 seconds. As you can see, it's done a terrific job of cleaning these stairs here as well as the bottom of the pool. The S3 is fairly new. Now, here it goes in the pool, and we will let it do its thing. Now, it boasts a 250-minute run time for in-ground pools, and the smart sensor navigation helps it not waste time. It works great on stairs, walls, shallow areas, floors, and water lines. You can see it's doing its adaptive path planning. It's better coverage for any type of pool. For walls and slopes, it has an optimized cleaning path where it learns the shape of your pool, and it uses that memory to clean it each time. One button control is easy to operate and very easy to rinse. You can operate it very easily on the app as well. Now, this is the most powerful lightweight class robotic pool cleaner. It's easy, portable, and hassle-free. It has 4 intelligent zone cleaning, shallow areas, water line, the wall, and the floors. It is very, very good on the stairs and the sloped and curved walls in my pool, and it's designed for all pool types. It's 20% lighter than most pool cleaners, coming in at 18 pounds, which is easy to lift with one hand. Now, it has a terrific app which allows you to watch it in real time, and it has a 10-minute water parking stay. And one of my favorite things is the Jet Assist technology, which helps it clean the water lines in a horizontal fashion in addition to the regular scrubbing method. Now, my water lines are particularly challenging because my pool walls are curved, and I have a curved and sloped shallow area and a tanning ledge. Now, it also has high precision obstacle avoidance and has a very light touch operation, so it's anti-crash. It will run for 250 minutes for full pool coverage. It also has different modes, including an eco efficiency mode, offering clean options for the floor, the wall, the water line, auto, including everything, and a scheduling feature on the app. Now, I love Aiper products, and I have several of them, and I love the fact that the app can manage all of them in one place, so you can see what your pool monitoring system, maybe your surface cleaner, and your pool robot of choice. You can manage and schedule them all in one place. Now, this is comes in about 16.5 pounds, and this is about 18 pounds. Both of them are one-hand assist out of the pool, and they both have a vertical lift on the debris baskets. Let me show you the kind of debris they pick up here, and keep watching for more details on the motor. Now, this is the Aiper S3, and I keep my pool pretty clean, but it has picked up some very fine debris. Now, one thing that's different about this one is it includes this extra micro basket that gets very fine debris. As you can see, that's just basically sand, and it catches a lot of debris in there as well. Now, I have a lot of leaves around my pool, and it picks up those as well. Now, this is really nice because you can do one-hand clean. The retrieval button is actually inside here, so you don't even have to touch it. You can lift it up, open it, put it on the ground, and hose it off, which is very nice. Now, the workhorse of the S1, it is a very powerful machine too. As you can tell, it's got very fine debris. Now, don't let that lack of debris fool you. My pool was just pretty clean when I ran this last, but it picks up everything, leaves and all. They also work on about the same size pools, and will do any different shape pool. They both have Caterpillar wheels, and they have dual jet rollers in the front here, a large inlet system, and a rake of silicone to grab that debris. Now, the difference with the Aiper S3 is it has two sets of rollers, two in the front, two in the back. Also, that inlet system with the rake for the debris. So that's a big difference. It has that extra grabbing power, which gives it one of its best features. Now, they're both great machines. The big upgrade is the jet propulsion and the horizontal cleaning of the water line with the Aiper S3. That is a new feature, and it is awesome. It also has a very important feature where it will park at the water line for retrieval. Two major upgrades that probably worth it for you to look at the Aiper S3. Now, it is a great machine. Both of them are very great. This is an older model. The price tag's a little bit less than the S3, but those two features, to have an extensive water line where it cleans horizontally, really scrubbing that water line, which is a very hard to clean area of most pools. And the water line retrieval parking is very great. They both work great on the app. You can run them easily and schedule them easily on the app. If you have more than one Aiper machine, they all work well on the app without any problems. And they both have rear port charging, and the biggest difference is those new features on the S3 and the runtime. The Scubas S1 is 180 minutes, and the Scubas S3 is 240 minutes. So you get a lot longer time with the S3. So that's 4 hours versus about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours on the S. So if you're looking for an average clean, an average pool needs on a smaller pool, the Aiper S1 is a great option. And if you want those extra bonus features of the horizontal cleaning, the extra dual brushes that does a lot of scrubbing, and the 4-zone cleaning, then the S3 is for you. Also, the debris baskets are slightly bigger on the S3, so if you have a lot of leaves, that might be the better option for you as well. You can't go wrong with Aiper. They're always excellent. These are both provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I really like them both. These are your go-to, absolute, always a winner pool robot cleaning machines. I hope you like this video. Now, please check out the graphic at the end here, because it'll give you a side-by-side comparison, as well as please like this video and follow us for more great videos from these two workhorses and more like these.